Maxi 12. I wonder what he would do with that. Yep.
Hey, Izzy.
Hey.
So we came to Menards to get stuff for the winter, the blizzard that is coming tomorrow. We're preparing. We got salt, sand.
Let's take the cover thing
For the faucets.
Can't wait until it snows.
Right?
Yeah. I guess you're going.
So we're expecting to snow tomorrow. This is gonna be a big blizzard. And also we're looking for some outlet covers. So see, we found some right here. But they're nice. Let's see if there's more. We have a bunch. So how many we need? Two? Three? Okay, it's two. Got one from the bottom.
So these are.
That's what we came to see. We got those. The stuff for the gardening stuff for outside the pipes. Because it's gonna get really cold. Really cold.
It could probably turn
Max.
to ice.
What's up, Max? What's up, buddy? Hey, Max. Max, come here. Max. Say hi to everybody. Well, today was a busy day. We went to Menards. For sure, we got a lot of stuff that we needed to get for the snowstorm that we're getting tomorrow, starting tomorrow. They're saying it's gonna be really, really bad. So I hope not. But so if you live in Chicago, get ready for the snowstorm because we're ready to go play outside. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our channel.